video is titled Who Am I? I Am. This story is all about who I was before, learning the lesson in understanding the self, and who I am now after applying them in my life. Before, I often ask myself questions like, who am I really? What is my purpose? I feel confused about my identity and my place in the world. I define myself based on what's happening around me, my mistakes, my fears, and the opinions of others. Because of this, I sometimes felt empty and unsure as if I was just going through life without fully understanding myself. And now, through the philosophical perspective of the self, I realize that I am not just shaped by circumstances or other people's judgments. I am a person who can think, reflect, and choose meaning in my life. I learned that knowing myself is a continuous process and that it is okay not to have all the answers yet. Before, I honestly didn't really know who I was. There were times when I felt lost and unsure of myself. I was often afraid failing, afraid that I might not be good enough or smart enough for this course. After learning about self-concept and self-esteem, I slowly began to understand myself better. I realized that fear is part of learning, especially where responsibility is big. I practiced changing my mindset. Instead of focusing on failure, I reminded myself that I am learning step by step. This helped me become more confident and motivated to continue. Before, I kept my emotions to myself. Even when I felt stressed or overwhelmed, I chose to stay silent. Now, I understand that emotions are normal and valid. I practice acknowledging what I feel instead of ignoring it. When things get heavy, I allow myself to pause, breathe, and talk to someone I trust. This helped me become emotionally stronger and more honest with myself. Before, I usually prayed only when I had problems or needed help. Now, I see my spiritual self as a daily part of my life. I practice gratitude and trust God even when things get unclear. My faith gives me peace, strength, and hope, especially during difficult times. Before, I posted almost anything on social media without really thinking. I did not consider how many posts could affect my image or my future. Now, I am more careful with digital self. I think before I post and I choose content that reflect who I want to become as a person I want to become. I learned that social media can influence not only others but also myself. Being mindful online is now part of my personal growth. Before, stress easily overwhelmed me, especially when school tasks built up. Now, I understand how to manage my stress better. I practice time management, take short breaks, break, and remind myself that it is okay to rest. Strain may not disappear, but I am stronger in handling it. Or I was afraid of the future and of making mistakes. And now I see myself as someone who is still growing. I do not need to be perfect. I just need to keep improving. I have goals for myself and I am willing to work for them step by step. Dear future self,